Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Tanveer Haroon. Every year we promise that we will become a better person in the next year. And at the end of every examination, every student promises to himself that he will get better marks in the next examination. But what happens, we all know that the things remain as same and there's nothing happens special in the next year. So what's the solution? Research says that 47% of our life depends on our habits. So it means that if we have a good habits, our life will be good. And if we have a bad habits, our life will be bad. So how we can change our habits? Research says that it takes 66 days to accomplish a new habit. Do you want to know that how a new habit is formed? Okay, I think you are interested. So now listen. If you want to have the habit of exercise, and you know how much exercise is important in our life, so what will you do? You just have set time of 66 days, and every day you should just do 1 or 2 push-ups. Just 1 or 2 push-ups. Just set a mini habit. Just set a small target in the day. You will be thinking that Tanveer Bhai are telling us very stupid goals. That 1 push-ups, and what will happen by 1 push-up or 2 push-ups? We want a great muscles. We want a great body. And what 1 push-up will do? Here's the answer of your question. What the Newton's first law of motion says, that anything remains at rest. It will remain at rest until an external force is applied on it. For example, this is a static body and it is at rest. Okay, I have applied an external force and it have start moving. So by this example, just try to understand that this is you. Okay, this pen is you, and this is your effort is just 1 push-up. When you will put your effort on yourself, you will get into motion. And when you will get into motion, you will be transferred from static position into a motion position. You will be in a good momentum. And by doing 1 or 2 push-ups, your brain will say, just come on, you can do 3 to 4 more. And in this way you will do 8 to 10 push-ups. And if you repeat it for 66 days, you can have developed a good habit. You can also develop the other habits, like just learning from this experience. You can also develop the reading habit. You can also develop the writing habit. You can also develop any habit in your life that you want to do. and that is in your priority in your life. For example, if I am a student, so what is my priority? My priority is study. So if I have not a reading habit, then how can I read the 20 books or 10 books at the end of the year? So if I want to have a good command in my syllabus, I must try to develop my reading habit, and I should start reading 2 to 3 pages a day and make it my lifestyle, and I should make it for the 66 days. Is a case with the writing habit. Just start at the beginning with the 50 to 6 words, and with the passage of time you can increase when you feel that you have developed a habit. And one thing you should remember, that the Anthony Robbins says, it's not what we do once in a while, it's what we do consistently. So what is the tool of success? That is the consistency. You should not break your habit. You should read every day. However you are tired, however you are mentally not prepared. Yes, and the one thing that I want to tell you, there can be 2 barriers in developing your habit. The one is mental, and the other is your physical barrier. What is a mental barrier? The mental barrier is that you have the energy to do that work, but you are feeling procrastination, you are feeling laziness, and in Urdu you can say you are showing susti, and in Punjabi had harami. So, and the other barrier is physical barrier. The physical barrier is you are really tired and you have did a lot of other tasks today, and you are feeling too much bored to do that task. But remember that if you will convince your brain that I have just to do 1 push-up, I have just to read 2 to 3 pages, I have just to write 50 words, and I can do it in 2 to 3 minutes, you can easily complete your task, and this sequence of your habit will never change, and it will remain in your consistency, and your life will be changed. Believe me, little things make great changes, and I hope that if you try this, a day will come when these little things will make a lot of achievements for you. And the one thing is more, that don't try to, one thing that you should remember, that don't try too much habits at a single time, because if you will do this, you will get bored or you will get frustrated at the end of the day. Just try to focus on 1 habit or 2 habits. When you see that you have developed those habits, then you can start with the other habits. Okay, for example, I can if you want to have the habit of exercise, then you can reading habit, writing. In this way, this is your own life, you can prioritize your things. And at the end, I will quote the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said that Allah loves those things that we do consistently, however they are small. So be consistent, have set little targets in a day, and make it your habit for 66 days. And inshallah, you will become a better person, and you can achieve anything in your life that you want to have and what you want to become. Thank you. जज़ाकमुल्लाहु खैर. दुआओं में याद रखिएगा. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.